What is O-Cademy? Simplifying the complexities of your business needs with AI services. Make learning a journey to self-discovery. Let distance and age not be a limitation to your learning or teaching. Reinvent yourself with the best e-learning platform to learn and earn. Know more about O-Cademy. O-Cademy is an adaptive online course platform that enables learners and tutors to set their own pace for intellectual growth. Loaded with multiple features, this learning platform is equipped to give a fantastic experience to every user. Furthermore, O-Cademy is an exponentially flexible and highly scalable product that enhances course searchability according to the user's requirements. Smarter than the usual learning platforms, O-Cademy is AI-enabled online study course platform, giving you a world of newer and more targeted suggestions for your course curriculum whether you are learning or teaching. The Course Quality Checklist (CQC) for instructors guarantees the utmost proficiency of their courses, making them more attractive, marketable, and capable of providing a supplemental and inventive learning experience to all. O-Cademy's vision is to construct the world's most extensive educational repository by engaging and empowering extraordinary educators to share their insights and make it accessible for learners worldwide. Without any age limitation or occupation. Learn and earn uninterrupted. Whether you are a student or professional, learning is the foundation stone for success. ONPASSIVE's O-Cademy brings to you the best e-learning platform equipped with AI technology that can aid with your learning and skill development. O-Cademy provides a learning space with courses curated by the best educators from across the globe. It lets you access the best online courses on the latest subject matters on a single platform. For educators, O-Cademy gives the opportunity to reach out to a student base all across the globe, thereby increasing your earning ability. With a platform that offers courses on all subject matters, you can present courses that you are best in to get the maximum response. O-Cademy's interactive platform is powered by the latest AI technology and is designed to be the leader in its niche. Be it as a learner or a tutor, O-Cademy gives you the advantage of enhancing your skills or earning without disrupting your everyday life. Key features of O-Cademy. At O-Cademy, we provide the tools and skills to teach and learn what you love. Our vision is to construct the world's most extensive educational repository. Multilingual, unique and adaptable. Category-wise filtration. Video quality and speed adjustment. Bulk videos updating.